Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Jurassic World Rebirth collage of some of the different dinosaurs from the new movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our drawing, let's begin with the D-Rex. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin with his face. So I'm just going to begin by making a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and down. Then we're going to make a little circle shape underneath. Next, I'm going to make some little lines kind of right around the eye, just for a little bit of detail. Above it, I'm going to make these little kind of like bumpy shapes for his eyebrow. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come out, and then I'm going to kind of curve this up and then bring it down. Next, let's go ahead and make some of these little curved lines right there. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down here. And then we're just going to make these little kind of bumpy lines. They're just going to kind of go up and then down here. Let's make two small dots here for his nose. Then we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to make a few more of these little bumps right here for the mouth. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and back here. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come out, and I'm going to bring this up. Then we're going to bring this over and around here for the jaw. And I like to kind of curve it. Next, we're going to make some little lines here for the back of the mouth. And then where we have all these bumps, we're going to put some teeth in here. So let's just kind of fill this up with like some different size teeth. Some are going to be bigger, some are going to be smaller. And we're just going to kind of fill this whole thing up. For the tongue, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then another one, we'll kind of bring it up and down here. Then we're going to make one and two little lines here for the other side of the mouth. Now I'm going to make a couple little lines back here and then another line here for kind of the back of our D-Rex. And then I'm going to add some little lines here to kind of show where the neck is going to be. For some quick details, we can make some little broken lines around here, and then some little lines kind of right by the teeth as well. We can even put some little lines kind of right around here too. Now let's draw another cool dinosaur from the movie. Over here, let's make one of these Spinosauruses. So let's begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come up and down like this. And we'll make a little curve here for the eye. We'll make a couple little curves around it. And then we'll make kind of like a bumpy eyebrow. I'm going to make a line here. I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy shape that's going to come out to here and curve down. Now I'm going to make another bumpy shape here for that other eye. Let's kind of make a wiggly line that's just going to kind of come up and down. Then we're going to bring this back down to here and kind of make a curve. We're going to bring this up and over. And then we're going to bring this line down. We'll make a little line here, some more little fun lines in there. Then we're just going to put a row of sharp pointed teeth on the top of our Spinosaurus. And we're going to do a row of sharp teeth down here as well. We can also make a line that's going to kind of curve down and up. We'll do a dot here and a dot here for the nose. We'll make some little wrinkle lines here and then some more little wrinkle lines here for the neck. We need to make some kind of broken lines that come across, and then right across the top and bottom of the mouth. Then we'll kind of just put this little bumpy line for like the sail that our Spinosaurus has. And maybe a few extra lines here for some cool, interesting detail. Now, over here, let's make the Mega T-Rex. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to kind of come down and up. We're going to make a little circle for the eye. And then add a few of those little lines around the eye. I want to make a line that's going to come up and then kind of down like this. I want to make this line over, leave some space, and we're going to make a big line. It's just going to kind of come down here. We're going to curve it in, and then we're going to bring this down. And we're going to bring this up and down here for the mouth. Let's make a little line over here for the other eye. Then we're going to curve this down. We're going to kind of come up and then bring it to here. We'll bring this around with some little broken lines. And we'll kind of bring this down and then over to here. I'm going to make some little extra broken lines. Then I'm going to do a little line here and a little line there for the nose. Let's kind of curve these lines around and bring some down here. Next, in the mouth, let's kind of fill these up with some long, kind of pointed, sharp teeth. So we're going to bring these all along the top of our T-Rex's mouth. And then we're going to put these all across the bottom of the mouth as well. We're going to make a line that's going to come up and down, and then another one that goes like this for the tongue. We'll make a line back here and another one, and we'll make a little line up here. I like to make these little broken lines around here. And I like to bring this kind of broken line that's just going to go right around here to kind of show there's a big indentation in his head. We're going to make this line kind of come back here, and we're going to make some little broken lines. And then we're going to make some more little lines here. Now, up here, I'm going to make the Quetzalcoatlus. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down, and we're going to come back like this. We're going to make a small circle for the eye. Then we're going to make these extra little lines around here. And a little line here for the eyebrow ridge. I'm going to bring this line kind of up, and then I'm going to make it kind of curve back to here. Then I'm going to make this line kind of come down here and then back. Now I'm going to curve this line up to here, and then we're going to bring this around. We'll make a little broken line here, and a couple little curved lines here. We'll make a long pointed line for the tongue. And then we're going to bring some lines that are just going to kind of come down here like this for the neck. And then we're just going to kind of bring some curved lines right across here. We'll put a big dot up here with a curve for where the nostril's going to be. Make some broken lines here, and a couple little broken lines right there. And then a couple more little lines for some detail. Now, up here, let's do the Mosasaurus. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down and curve back. And then we're going to make a big circle for the eye. We're going to make a few little lines around here. And then we're going to make a big bump above it for the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to make a long nose that's just going to come out and then down. Now I'm going to make a long line that's just going to curve back here. We're going to make another one that's going to come out and down and back. Then we're just going to come down and bring this over. I'm going to make a little dot up here where the nose is going to be. I'm going to make a couple little lines that just come back for the back of the mouth. Then right here, we're just going to fill up the mouth with some sharp pointed teeth on our Mosasaurus. So we're just going to make these nice pointed teeth all the way to the back. And then we're going to make these sharp pointed teeth all the way to the back of here. We're going to make a line that's going to curve down and up and then back down for the tongue. We'll make some nice little broken lines coming right across here along the mouth for some detail, and then maybe even a couple little lines coming down. And then finally, our last one, we're going to finish this off with the Mutadon down here. So let's begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down and up. We'll make a little curve here, and then some little curves there. Make kind of like that bumpy line above it. Make a line here, and we're just going to bring this kind of down to a point, and we're going to bring this back here. I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring this up and then kind of around to here. I'm going to make a little line here. I'm going to kind of curve this back. We're going to put a little dot up here for where the nose would be. Then we're going to put some sharp teeth in the mouth, and we're going to put some sharp teeth here with a little line back here. Next, I'm going to kind of bring some lines back here. We're going to kind of run into the T-Rex a little bit, and that's okay. And some lines here for the neck. We'll put some little lines on the back here, and I forgot we actually need to do some of these onto our Quetzalcoatlus too. Let's put some of these sharp little lines. We'll make a couple little lines here, and we'll make a little curved line for the tongue. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Jurassic World Rebirth collage featuring some of the new dinosaurs from the movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.